Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, for today's episode, there is a latest leak of the up-and-coming Louis Vuitton x Yayoi Kusama collaboration. So for today's episode, I'm going to share to you these new bags that I wasn't able to share from a previous vlog that we have done a couple of weeks back. So guys, if you want to have the first dibs and get to know everything about the up-and-coming Louis Vuitton x Yayoi Kusama collaboration, please make sure you watch until the end of the episode. Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about latest about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on that one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's @Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright, so guys, for the Louis Vuitton x Yayoi Kusama collaboration, upon my research, I am seeing that there are two designs that they are going to release very soon. Number one is the regular multicolor dot painting of the beloved designer Yayoi Kusama, and of course the second one would be the structural or the sculptural pieces. So we are going to discuss first the multicolor dot painting. Also guys, I would also like to share that unfortunately we do not have the prices as of the moment and I don't have the product codes, but once I have them ready, I will be posting on my community post, so make sure you are subscribed to our channel. So the very first bag that we are going to discuss from this Louis Vuitton x Yayoi Kusama collaboration is the Speedy 25. So looking at the photo guys, I am guessing this is not a Speedy 20. So this is the regular Speedy 25. So we are going to see here what I love about this one, of course, the vachetta. So it's the pre-treated vachetta. It's not the ultra white and very scary vachetta. So it comes with the regular brown monogram canvas. So the different from this one, so you would know instantly that this is a special limited edition Speedy 25 bandolier edition. It has the multicolor red dot painting. So we are going to see, since this is a bandolier, of course, it comes with the detachable and adjustable shoulder strap. It comes also with gold hardware with gold lock combo. Next one would be the on-the-go PM. So this one guys is a little bit different from the normal on-the-go that we are seeing right now. So number one, of course, the main material of this one still would be the well-loved Louis Vuitton monogram. Then of course we are going to see with the entirety of bag, it has the Yayoi Kusama signature, the multicolored red dot painting. And this one is, I'm a little bit surprised because with the Speedy that we have discussed earlier, the vachetta is pre-treated. However, for this on-the-go, we are going to see, I may be wrong guys, but this one looks like a untreated vachetta, or this could be either a treated vachetta, but the color of the leather is like somewhat beige or cream. So guys, again, I could be wrong. I'm just basing it on the photo. So what's different on this one, of course, the strap that it comes with, it seems like this is a jacquard fabric strap with the vachetta leather trim. And what I love about this one, just like with their previous collection for special pieces of on-the-go, it comes with the round coin purse, because honestly the round coin purse, that is one of the SLG that I'm eyeing from Louis Vuitton. Alright, so for the next Yayoi Kusama bag for Louis Vuitton would be the Neverfull MM. So this one comes with the regular monogram, and then of course comes with the untreated vachetta. So this one, of course, since this is a limited edition, we are going to see naturally the multicolored dot paintings of Yayoi Kusama. So guys, I don't have the photo yet of the pouch, but I am guessing it would still be the Louis Vuitton brown monogram canvas, and of course it would have the same painting. So again guys, I am a little bit confused because I'm only seeing so far from this monogram collection that the Speedy has the untreated leather, then the rest has untreated vachetta leather. Alright, so the next bag would be from the Cruise 2023. It would be the book version of this bag, the wallet on chain. So this comes with the regular brown monogram canvas, and we are going to see that it has so much vachetta. So we are going to see like the binding of this book bag is made of untreated vachetta. Then also the top handle of this bag is also untreated vachetta leather, which again, for me, honestly, I'm a little bit scared for that huge vachetta, but we are going to see how cute it is. It really mimics a book, and we are going to see, of course, the multicolor dot painting of Yayoi Kusama. Next bag is another popular bag from the Cruise 2023. So I have seen this in person from our Louis Vuitton store. It is the Louis Vuitton side trunk in the regular canvas and untreated vachetta leather. So this one, guys, we are going to see. So again, it's the regular design of the side trunk. It has the very beautiful detail of a soft trunk. And then we have the S-lock detail. So I've seen some unboxing videos on the S-lock detail. The strap, the small strap with S-lock detail, this is the zipper pull of this bag, and then you are going to lock it with this feature for added security. So this one comes with two straps, the top handle strap, and comes with a detachable longer crossbody or shoulder strap. Then of course, the entirety of the bag is designed with the Yayoi Kusama signature.
Next, we have this very beautiful monogram Louis Vuitton Pochette Metis. So this one, guys, classic monogram canvas. Comes with the untreated vachetta, guys. Are you noticing that? So untreated vachetta leather tab handle, and it comes with a monogram adjustable crossbody shoulder strap. I also love the gold hardware. Then it comes with the classic Louis Vuitton Yayoi Kusama signature. Next, guys, we have the Louis Vuitton Nano Neo Noe. So this is the newer design of the Nano Neo Noe. So we are going to see it comes with the classic monogram with the pre-treated vachetta. Then it comes with the newer top handle design. Super love that one. And the adjustable detachable shoulder strap. And then of course, on the classic monogram, we are going to see the Yayoi Kusama red or dot signature. Then we have the Louis Vuitton Classic Alma BB. So this one, classic monogram canvas. Then of course, the vachetta, guys. OMG, I love Alma, but this dark white vachetta, I am so scared. Then of course, the entirety of the bag, we are going to see the color dot painting of Yayoi Kusama. And then it also comes with the yellow gold hardware. So what do you think, guys, of this new Alma BB design? Next, we have the Louis Vuitton Petit Sac Plat in the classic monogram canvas. Again, guys, the untreated stark white vachetta. Did you know, guys, that the newer release of the Petit Sac Plat, the detachable shoulder strap, is now fully adjustable, just like the Neo Noe? Then, of course, on the monogram canvas, we're going to see the Yayoi Kusama signature. So what I love about this upgrade, of course, aside from the signature, is the adjustable shoulder strap, unlike the one that I currently have right now. So guys, this is the new design for the Yayoi Kusama collaboration. So we have here the Louis Vuitton Neverfull MM in the black Empreinte leather. We're also going to notice here, if we are going to zoom in, that the Louis Vuitton monogram is the giant Louis Vuitton monogram, which I super love. And guys, are you seeing that very cute bag charm? That is a Yayoi Kusama signature as well, aside from the white dots on the entirety of this very beautiful Neverfull MM. Next, we have the Louis Vuitton Pochette Metis in the Empreinte leather. So guys, comparing to the classic monogram in this collaboration, definitely I would be choosing this over the monogram version. Of course, we are seeing the giant Louis Vuitton monogram, white dot Yayoi Kusama signature, and the very cute and very beautiful bag charm. It also comes with the adjustable strap, and the hardware that it comes with is silver. Super love this version of the Pochette Metis. What do you think, guys? Next, we have the Louis Vuitton Capucines PM in the plain black leather. So there is no engraving or embossing of the Louis Vuitton monogram. So we are going to see here classic Louis Vuitton Capucines design. And then of course, on the entirety of the bag, we are seeing the multicolor dot signature of Yayoi Kusama. What do you think, guys, of this very beautiful Capucines PM?
Up with the leather bag, so the very first one would be the Petit Mal So this one, guys, so definitely this comes on 100% leather, and we are going to see, so it's the regular size Petit Mal, it's not the East-West version. It has a very beautiful silver hardware. And then we are going to see the entirety of the Petit Mal. It's painted with the signature of the Yayoi Kusama Multicolor Dot painting. What I'm attracted to this bag as well is this very beautiful top handle strap. We are going to see that it comes with large grommet. Next still, so if you are looking for another leather bag from the Yayoi Kusama collaboration, so they would be coming up with the Louis Vuitton Dauphine MM. So we are going to see here, so again, regular Dauphine style, comes with silver hardware, comes with, of course, the black leather detail, black leather trim. Then, of course, I love this because everything is black, silver hardware, then the painting stand out on this very beautiful bag. Alright, so the next bag that we are going to discuss, I was able to share this from our previous vlog. I'm happy to share it again. So these are the sculptural pieces from the Louis Vuitton x Yayoi Kusama collaboration. So the very first one is the Louis Vuitton twist bag. So honestly, guys, when this walked the runway, I did not have any idea that this is a Yayoi Kusama collaboration. So this is the regular Louis Vuitton twist. So again, guys, honestly, I am such a huge fan of the twist bag. So we are going to see here what's the difference from the regular twist. So everything here is 100% leather. Then we are going to see the LB twist hardware. It is in all black leather. And then the sculptural detail here and the signature of Yayoi Kusama would be like, I feel it's a stainless balls on the entirety of the bag. Then we are going to see that the handle has grommets as well. So I think the question here, like for example, are the stainless steel balls on this bag, are they hollow inside? If not, then definitely this bag may be a little bit heavy to carry, but nevertheless, this bag looks really amazing. Next on the sculptural bag, of course, we have the very famous the side trunk. So we are going to see here very beautiful details. I love actually the combination. So generally, guys, I do love a black material and gold hardware combo, but I am seeing that the black and then silver hardware is also working very beautifully, just like these last two bags that we are sharing for today. So these side trunks, so the leather is all black, then it comes with the top handle and detachable shoulder strap. What I love about this one, of course, is the trunk details. We have here the very beautiful silver hardware, and of course, the metallic silver balls are all over this very beautiful bag. So again, guys, question how heavy this bag is, but hopefully Louis Vuitton is able to find a fix. You know, yes, it's sculptural, but then again, hopefully it's not too heavy for you to carry this for a whole day activity. There, how did you enjoy our episode for today, guys? So among the Louis Vuitton x Yayoi Kusama pieces that we have discussed for today, which one is your favorite? Please do comment down below and let's have a conversation. So again, guys, before we end our episode, I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on that one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account, that's at Premier52, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you guys for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!